If you've been on TikTok or Twitter recently, you've likely seen discussions about the drug Ozempic. Elon Musk even tweeted about it. It's been featured in the New York Times. Ozempic seems to be everywhere. So, let's talk about the truth regarding this drug. Ozempic is FDA approved to help diabetes patients control blood sugar levels. It also reduces the risk of major cardiovascular events and promotes weight loss. Because of its weight loss effects, many people started using it off-label for this purpose. The pharmaceutical company repackaged the same medication, semaglutide, under the brand Wegovy. They increased its dosage and gained FDA approval for it as a weight loss medication. Wegovy is intended for obese or overweight individuals with a weight-related condition like hypertension. As Ozempic became popular for weight loss, demand surged. TikTok and television amplified stories of significant weight loss. This led to many people seeking off-label prescriptions for weight loss. Unfortunately, this caused shortages, leaving diabetes patients without access. There's also misinformation about how Ozempic works. Some claim you can eat anything while using it without gaining weight. This is false and reflects a misunderstanding of the medication. Ozempic works by suppressing appetite and slowing gastric emptying. You feel full longer, eat less, and consume fewer calories. It doesn't mean you can eat excessively without consequences. Overeating while on Ozempic can worsen side effects like nausea and vomiting. Another concern is the loss of lean muscle mass along with body fat. This occurs because the medication suppresses appetite, leading to fewer calories consumed. Any significant calorie reduction can result in muscle and fat loss. To prevent muscle loss, patients need a balanced plan with adequate protein intake. Exercise, particularly resistance training, is crucial for maintaining muscle. Many TikTok users share stories of rapid weight loss with Ozempic, but the medication wasn't studied for use in healthy weight individuals. Using it inappropriately may increase the risk of side effects. Additionally, stopping the medication often leads to regained weight. This kind of yo-yo dieting has long-term health risks. Some people report a hollowed-out look, often called Ozempic face. This can happen with rapid weight loss, especially in older individuals. Proper use of Ozempic with medical supervision shouldn't cause this. Doctors prescribe it with a slow titration process, adjusting doses as needed. GLP-1 medications like Ozempic shouldn't be the first option for weight loss. Prescribing any medication requires weighing risks and benefits. Ozempic can help some people lose 10 to 20% of their body weight, but side effects include GI issues, pancreatitis, and potential thyroid risks. Medications like Ozempic are tools, not cures. Weight loss involves lifestyle changes in nutrition, fitness, sleep, and mental health. Health isn't determined solely by weight. The goal is to improve overall quality of life and longevity. Doctors should focus on patients holistically, not just on the scale. When it comes to improving someone's lifestyle, we're not only lowering the weight, we're also improving their quality of life. That's what being a doctor is about. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Stay happy and healthy.